3 service guys from 3 states tear down 3 washers.
So tell me, if I was a consumer and I was buying one of these, with the stuff you guys have seen, what would matter to me?
Probably in the long run of things, ease of access for a technician, because whenever you have a service call, time is money. So the faster the technician can get there and diagnose, the more money you're going to end up saving in the long run.
The failure rate on the Whirlpool and Maytag control boards versus the failure rate of the Speed Queens, it's night and day. We don't change near as many. I can't even remember the last time I changed a Speed Queen control board or user interface compared to the hundreds, if not thousands, of these that I've changed. It's the approach where Speed Queen is primarily focused as a commercial laundry provider. They build commercial appliances, and then they tapped into the residential side. Well, with all the other manufacturers, they build residential models, and now they're taking that residential model and they're trying to compete with a commercial grade machine, and by making improvements on the residential model, there's no comparison. So we're dealing with something that can actually go into a laundromat. I could take this exact washer, put on a coin acceptor, throw it in a laundromat, and see you later. You put this in a laundromat, and I guarantee you 6 months, it's over.